Hi everyone, I represent Instalogist. It's a Bangalore-based tech-driven logistics company. Here, we provide a platform for on-demand truck booking. We help load providers and truck providers to discover each other by providing them a very relevant and near real-time leads to facilitate the shipment. We are using Engati's chatbot not only as a customer journey or in customer support or marketing tool, but we are using it as a complete application. So that makes our use case little different and interesting because the main challenge we faced, and I think many people here would agree, like pushing the adoption of your app is really challenging. It is a costly affair, and if there is little dissatisfaction, your user will uninstall the app, and it is very hard to bring him back again because running app install campaigns are costly, that we all know. So we realized that though we have Android app which has many sophisticated features, but the main thing people were looking for is the leads, relevant leads. So that we thought we can bring it completely on WhatsApp chatbot, and that will become an alternative to Android app. So we marketed our application like without the need of downloading any app, you can book a truck or load. Just say hi on this number. We are catering to the truck providers, truck owners in India who are not very tech savvy, and they find it difficult to operate app. But WhatsApp is very sequential in nature. I mean, it is asking something, you are telling something. So they find it easy, and WhatsApp is already there in every app. So your entire application becomes just a number. So that's the beauty of using WhatsApp as an application. We had to use a lot of APIs, custom APIs. And Engati Chatbot provides you a very seamless way of integrating with your custom APIs. We have used Engati Broadcast extensively because our use case was to keep periodically sending leads to people. Like today, you asked, like, I need a truck. I have only 2 trucks. After half an hour, one more truck came, which is matching to you. So we need to notify our users. So we have used Engati's broadcast and in a very innovative way. The very initial our trial period. So Engati team has provided a very good hand-holding support during the trial period and helped us to explore the features and made sure that it matches our requirement before we are paying or buying the subscription or anything. So I like that customer support and the mindset of the team. Another thing, last but not the least, the pricing was competitive. We did explore many other competitors. So all this collectively helped us to choose Engati.